Demonstrate critical and big picture thinking. Welcome, learners. Today we dive into the powerful realms of critical and big picture thinking. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand these concepts, but also learn how to apply them in your daily life and the workplace. Our learning outcome today is to demonstrate critical and big picture thinking. Let's start by understanding what these terms mean. Critical thinking, the intellectually disciplined process of actively and skillfully conceptualizing, applying, analyzing, synthesizing, and or evaluating information gathered from or generated by observation, experience, reflection, reasoning, or communication as a guide to belief and action. Big picture thinking, a thinking strategy that focuses on the entirety of a concept or idea instead of on each individual detail. People who use big picture thinking can often see the long-term possibilities of a plan and the overall potential for success. Believing and doubting game. Now, let's get interactive. Imagine a table with two columns, one for belief and the other for doubt. We have a list of controversial statements made by politicians and other famous individuals. Your task is to discuss and categorize these statements, placing them in the belief or doubt column, only where there is total agreement. This game sets the stage for understanding critical thinking. Critical thinking process. From your discussions, let's delve into the critical thinking process. It involves formulating a question, gathering information, applying that information, considering implications, and exploring other points of view. It's an intellectual journey that guides beliefs and actions. Application in the workplace. Now, think about the critical thinking processes you just demonstrated. How can you apply these skills in your workplace? Take a moment to reflect. Critical thinking is a tool that can elevate your decision-making and problem-solving abilities. Open discussion, personal experiences. Shifting gears, let's share personal stories. Recall a time when you thought your parents were being unreasonable, but their decisions turned out to be beneficial. Or share a moment when your unpopular decision proved profitable later. These experiences showcase the real-world application of critical thinking. Big picture thinking. Moving on to big picture thinking. It's the ability to grasp abstract concepts, ideas, and possibilities. Think of it as emphasizing the system in which you operate. Stakeholders, competitors, social trends, and future disruptions all play a role. Benefits and barriers. Big picture thinking brings benefits like effective prioritization, setting better goals, and improved time management. However, there are barriers: company culture, poor implementation, lack of natural talent, and resource unavailability. Overcoming these barriers involves strategies. Make time to think. Use mind mapping. Prioritize teamwork and communication. Determine your goals. Identify significant actions and consider the broader market, society, and the world. As we conclude, remember that critical and big picture thinking are not just skills. They are tools for success. Apply them in your personal and professional life. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.